B'Shem Yehovah Elohim Rakumo Chanun. Greetings in the name of Christ. How to pronounce the Bible books, New Testament. Let me help you. Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts of Apostles, Romans, 1st Corinthians, 2nd Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1st Thessalonians, 2nd Thessalonians, 1st Timothy, 2nd Timothy, Titus, Philippians, Hebrews, James, 1st Peter, 2nd Peter, 1st John, 2nd John, 3rd John, Jude, Revelation. A presentation of New Jerusalem Church. Amen. May Yahweh bless you. यसु जिंदा है, शैतान शर्मिंदा है.